Hey everybody, we're out here on Old County Road 17 just west of Goshen, and we're getting ready to start soon. I would say within the month we should be digging, weather pending, the Lindenbrook floor plan. And I believe the home we had contracted with is over 2,000 square feet, and it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a full basement. Got the main bedroom downstairs. So you can see here we got the sign up, we've got our temporary electrical pole set. So basically when you sign up to build, it typically takes about 4 months to close the construction loan if you're getting the construction loan in your name. And once we dig, it should take about 5 months. So basically you got to go through prints, decorating, and floor plan, plot plan, how the house sits on the lot. Then we have to get permits. One of the challenges of this home site was fencing off the area where the septic's going to be. So you don't want any heavy equipment going over where septic's going to be. You don't want to disturb the soil because then it's not going to work properly. Then we also had to get a ditch to drain the field system into the creek behind there. So basically you got to get a septic permit, driveway permit, building permit. And that's where we've got all the permits now. Now we've got to line up the contractors. So this home site here is about, let's say, 3/4 of an acre. And there are home sites around like this. This one is unique in that any home site's platted 1991 or prior, you don't need space for a reserve septic system should the original septic system go bad. So we also had a soil engineering test done. You can see over here, I don't know if the camera will show it well enough, but the house over to the left was built up quite a bit, and the house over to the right was built up quite a bit. Basically, if you dig too deep, you hit water. So you can still have a basement, but you need to bring in some dirt that will allow you to have a basement. So that's where we're at with this project right here on Old County Road 17. I'll try and keep you updated as we move along. Can't promise that. Things get awfully busy and don't have time to make videos all the time. However, it's kind of a hobby of mine, so figured while I was out this way, I'd just make a little video before we get started. Everyone have a great week.